In this video, I'll go over how to record on FuboTV. Now first, you do need to make sure you have DVR storage. Now most plans you do. So then to record on FuboTV, first in the web browser, just find the show, movie or game you want to record, and then just hover over it with your mouse, and then you can click on this little circle with the dot in it that says recording options. Then you can record this episode, record new episodes only, or record all episodes. Now if I just want to do this one, click record episode, and now the program is recording. Now next, on mobile, just open the app, search or browse in the guide, select the show or event, and again tap the record button, then confirm whether to record just this episode or the whole series. Now if you're on a smart TV or a streaming device, navigate to the show, movie or live event, press the OK or select button on your remote, and then choose record from the menu, then select record episode or series again. Then to access your recordings, simply go to My Stuff in the top, and then here under recordings you will be able to find it. So now you know how to record on FuboTV. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.